Hello and welcome to Fit Me Recipes. Today I am so much excited to share you the Masala Sattu drink recipe. So let's get with the recipe. Did you know that roasted chana is used to make sattu? Basically, sattu is nothing but the flour made from roasted chana. I hope that you got an idea. Sattu is rich in protein, calcium, fiber, iron like properties. Make it a healthy drink option rather than the packet ones. Okay, let's back to the recipe. In a serving glass, I am adding 2 full tablespoons of sattu. Sattu is an age-old recipe potent drink. It is ideal for summers because it has the properties to cool your body. So do add this drink in this summer. Fill half of the glass with water. Make sure that you add water in half of the glass so that we are able to add rest of the ingredients. Stir it well to make the sattu and water nicely. Add 1/4 tablespoon of roasted cumin powder, pinch of black salt also known as kala namak, pinch of rock salt, and mix them all nicely. Squeeze half of the lemon to increase the dose of vitamin C in your diet. Add 1 teaspoon of onion. It is entirely optional to add. Add some fresh mint leaves. Add crushed ice and your protein-rich summer cooler ideal for weight loss drink is ready. Like, share and subscribe to this video. My name is Sharon. Thanks for watching.